Got home, got loaded up on the trailer, ready to go ahead and trailer in and just unload for Front Range. Sitting in line, and it looks like I've had it. My rear track bar bracket did not make it. So we broke off at the welds up there. This piece tore, and then it was rubbing all up in my shock. The axle is now out from under the Jeep. I personally like to use these miniature movers dollies and use that to just set the caliper on that, rotor on that. And then, I mean, obviously I can adjust the angle of this thing just by spinning it because it's free. With a little bit of force, I can tilt the pinion angle. But here's a closer look at our brake. So it was a little cold on the outside edge here. Just warming up the tube again to go ahead and weld this track bar bracket. I cut the weld out on the way off the blade, and I'm using the sledgehammer, as you can tell, to get it in there. I'm going to cut that seam when it's ready. I'll be cutting that seam with my angle grinder just to make a gap, and then I'll be welding that in as well to fix this tear right here. But it's time to go ahead and get this welded in. Well, we got it all welded up right here. Kind of had to go back up at top and get some more because there's a little tip and I didn't want the shear point. Was able to get some of the inside there. Let's see if I probably can't see it. Anyways, I got this edge. I cut it some. I couldn't really get into the down here, so I welded both sides. We have the track bar mount welded back together. Was able to cut a little bit of a line. I had to stop here because this was in the way. And then weld the outside, inside in here. And then I did have to get up underneath here, and that didn't go well. So I had to grind it down because it kind of pulled up, dripping down because I was kind of doing overhead. Didn't have my settings right, but it's in. I got the control arms cooked back up. I'll go ahead and, do my track bar and everything. This will be the end of this video, but on the next one, I'll take care of the rest.